I haven't showered in 3 days. How do I look?
Good.
Hello everyone and welcome to Life Hack Hacks. We've all seen them, those life hack videos that teach you ways to make your life so much easier. We're gonna look at some of those, we'll try them out, see which ones are life hacks and which ones are just hacks. Today we're gonna be looking at hacks that would save you thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. So if you were looking to save thousands of dollars, we may or may not have you. First off, you got a pack of ramen noodles, but hey, you're trying to save thousands of dollars, so you can't afford things like pots and hot water. I got a hack for you. In the video, they take ramen noodles and they put it in a bag of chips and they make a meal out of it.
So good. Unbelievable.
So we're gonna give it a try. Let's break up some ramen noodles. We're gonna throw a little bit of cheese in there. Oh yeah. Throw some cheese. Easy peasy. Got some ramen noodles. There's a flavor packet here somewhere. That's very important. Keep your flavor packet out. Throw them in the bag. Throw them all in the bag. In the video, they also throw some classic hot dogs in. Just the camera's like all up in the. Yeah. Chop up some wieners. Throw it right there in the bag. You know what? I'm feeling extra hungry today since I'm broke and starving. I'm trying to save money.
Thousands of dollars.
Throw some more in there. Then they don't really specify in the video whether or not it's hot water or not. They just pour water into the bag. So roll the bag up and see what happens. So this great life hack to save you money. If you need a knife or even a shank and don't have one, you can make one out of a toothbrush. Get out your toothbrush, and one that's got like a plastic end on it, right? And you know, you're trying to save money. This is all you can afford. Take your candle here, light your candle up. Okay, and from here, instead of using your source of fire, use the candle to heat up and melt the bottom of it. And then when you think, you know, it's melted pretty good, you need something hard to roll it out with. So I have here a bottle. Lay it down and roll it out. Just roll it out. Just like that. All right, still pretty hard. Roll it out. We're getting there. The only situation I can really see when needing this life hack is, you know, if you're in prison and have access to an open flame and a toothbrush. Looking like a knife already, huh? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Life hack, so easy. What do you think? Is that looking good enough? Is that looking knife enough?
It doesn't look very dangerous.
Next, we have to take our knife and we have to sharpen the edge a little bit. Since, you know, we're trying to save money, we're gonna have to go use brick.
Who's he?
Let's get down here and start sharpening our knife here. Yeah.
Back in '58, murdered his whole family and half the people on the block. They never found the bodies. Everyone around here knows he did it. And it'll just be a matter of time before he does it again.
All right.
Yeah. Look out.
Oof. Good thing that this is making my life easier. All right, we're all sharpened up and ready for the sharpness test. So I have some string cheese to try it out on. It's tough to get open. I need a life hack to get this stuff open. All right, life hack, here it is. I should have used my knife to cut it open. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just like butter, baby. Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Ready to be consumed. True test. Okay. So we're gonna give the old melted toothbrush utensil. This is a hack. Why would you ever do this? Like, what's the point? It takes you so freaking long, and why would you burn it to melt it and like roll it down? It's just no. Moving on. Do you ever have trouble with coworkers taking your food out of the lunchroom refrigerator? Well, don't worry. We have a life hack for you to keep your food and candy safe. All you need is whatever candy you like and one of your favorite condiment bottles. And then you just pour out all the condiment because you don't need any of that.
Trying to save money.
You don't want any of
Broken, starving.
clean it out real good.
Thousands of dollars.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Be sure to clean up. Perfect. Now you take your favorite snack and you cleverly hide it inside of the condiment bottle. Voila. And put it in the refrigerator and no one will be the wiser. Perfect.
But what if I want mustard?
What do you mean?
I realized that there's a hot dog in the mustard container.
What are you talking about? It works. No, scratch that. Hack. Hack. What's the point? Oh no! Wet sock! Oh, but don't worry, Mary. We have a life hack for that.
Yay!
So yeah, if you're looking for a life hack to save you a lot of money, I guess on socks, so you don't have to throw away a wet sock, all you need is a blow dryer. You take your sock, put it over the end of the blow dryer, and just turn it on. Look at it steam! Catching your sock on fire?
Maybe.
It's a little singed on the inside. And also the room kind of smells like feet now. It's very warm though. Would you like to feel it?
It's damp but warm.
The idea? Life hack. Actually in practice, just a hack. Don't try that one at home.
Also, if you're trying to save money,
Don't burn your socks.
there's the sun to dry things.
What?
Oh, now I really got one sock on.
Oh. Our next life hack is for you ladies out there. If you're tired of spending money on makeup, I have a great life hack for you. It'll save you literal thousands of dollars depending on how much makeup you buy, possibly. All you need for this life hack is some coffee, some lotion, and some baby powder. So I think the color you want is the coffee that you should use. We're gonna go with caramel vanilla cream. I would use mocha, but
You're not mocha.
what? Put my Papa Bear cut. Yeah.
So, just before you get too far into your brilliant hack, I'm pretty sure talcum powder, which is what's in baby powder, is linked to cancer.
What?
Pretty sure it's linked to ovarian cancer.
Ovarian cancer? Then why would it be in baby powder? Do babies have ovaries? You open this.
Read the ingredients on that baby powder, because maybe it's talc free.
Talc and fragrance. Okay, so let's life hack it up. So let's take some of our coffee.
Perfect.
Put in some of our lotion. And then our baby powder. And now we mix. I need a spoon. Yeah, did the video say measurements in this one? I don't think so.
Based off your skin tone, right?
They look good? Okay, now to apply.
Not a whole lot of color payoff. How's it feel?
Warm.
Feels warm?
Very warm.
Hot coffee? I think your sponge is not doing you any favors. I think this might be a hands-on kind of a foundation. It's not thick enough. And also you smell just like a gross mix of coffee and baby powder.
So yeah, what do you think?
Bad. I think that's bad. Yeah.
So we tried hard to do it correctly, and it just like didn't do anything. It just made me smell like coffee. So I've caked it on a little bit to see how well it sticks around. But I'm gonna call that one a bit of a hack. So the final life hack we have for you today is if you have greasy hair, which just for the occasion, I haven't showered in 3 days, you can put possibly hand sanitizer into your hair to get nice, clean, and beautiful looking hair. We're gonna try it out.
Oh, that's a lot.
All right, so you take it. Is it working? Is it going through my hair?
Yeah, it's going through your hair. It stinks.
How do I look?
You look like you belong in a 90s boy band.
Ooh, my scalp is a little burny. And now we wait for it to dry. While we're waiting, let's check and see how our noodles came out. Look in there, does it look appetizing?
Yeah. What a cooked your noodles.
All right, okay, looking good. The noodles are, well, they're soft, a little-ish, they're soft-ish. It's kind of soft, cheese, the hot dog, you know. I think it needs a taste test. And just, Forgot one very important thing, the flavor packet. There we go. You know they also poured like ketchup and mustard all over theirs?
Unfortunately, you poured all your mustard down the...
Ah, that's right. Well, I gotta say, I think that's a successful life hack right there. Surprise, surprise. I mean, they're cold, but they're soft. And there's hot dogs in here. I love little wieners. Throw some noodles and some water in there and let it sit for 30 minutes. And you have some cold noodles to eat.
Your face feels a lot less weird and dry than your hair does, though.
How does it look, though?
It patchy and powdery.
Right.
You can also get foundation from the dollar store for $1. It's probably the same cost as the baby powder.
Oh, Mary. That's not what life hacks are about, all right?
Bad.
So are you saying to me that the only thing that we had that really actually kind of worked was these noodles?
If you like them, then yeah.
I mean, I don't love them, but if I'm, trying to save thousands of dollars. But yeah, we hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Life Hack Hacks. Leave me a like down in the description or in the comments below, and share this with your friends. Subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff, and we'll do it more often. Thank you guys very much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Life hacks are stupid.